To subscribe my channel and to get future notification, click on subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Welcome to a new episode of Techno Extreme, and in this episode we will check the all-new Realme U1. So let's do the unboxing first and let's check what all we get inside the box. So you will get the cell phone inside the box. You will get this Realme back cover. And there's something more inside this. It says dreams, ambition, courage, power, passion. We fit it all in one box. And then what's inside? So you get the charger and the charger cable. So let's check the back cover now. And this is the back cover. This is how the phone looks. Now let's check how it looks from the side. And I've already used the back cover. These are the jacks. Means it has a USB charging jack and a headphone jack. On the right side you can find the power button, and on the left side you can see the volume rocker keys. Now let's check the back of the phone. So it comes with a fingerprint sensor, a depth sensing camera, a rear camera, and a flash. And this is the front facing camera. And the variant that I'm using is a 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. Now if you want to check the specifications of this phone, you can go to settings and then you can click on about phone option. Here you will find all the specifications. So the processor that is used is octa-core processor. It's a MediaTek processor and one of the best performing processor available in the market in this price range. It comes with 4GB RAM, and now 47.8GB is available out of 64GB because I have installed some apps. Now this phone is also called a selfie phone because it comes with a whopping 25 megapixel front facing camera and a 13 megapixel rear camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. So let's check the camera and let's see how it performs. So this is the 13 megapixel rear facing camera. Now let's check the front facing camera, and this is me recording the video. So this is the front facing camera. Now let's try and check the sound quality.
Depth, music, people, and objects come alive in breathtaking detail and flow in precise choreography all around you, making you feel like you are truly there. Welcome to a new world of sound that delivers the full impact of entertainment. It will move your mind, body, and soul like no other. Dolby and Onkyo are bringing
you can
this
see
new
that the
audio
sound
experience
quality is
to your
really
home.
crisp.
Sounds move in
Even
every
at
dimension throughout the
full
room.
volume it
An
does
arrow
not
shoots
muffle,
overhead.
so
A river tumbles down into the valley below.
I really like the sound
A race car
quality.
screeches around a corner.
So friends, if you want to purchase this phone, then I have given the link in the description box. And that's all in this episode of Techno Extreme. Have a nice, lovely and wonderful day.